What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here with MGMClassicCars.com, Addison, Illinois. And today I'm bringing you this new arrival, a very special car, 1963 Dodge 330. This car is wonderful, and it is really special. Me, Mr. Jenkins, myself, this is probably one of my favorite cars. My dream car was always a 64 Dodge, and this is a 63. They are very similar, and they are just wonderful cars. This one is a 383 big block Mopar. This was professionally restored. It is X Nebraska police car. Really nice. You got your 330 badging there. Really cool color combo, black with a red interior. Push button transmission. I will demonstrate it to you in a second here. Just a beautiful car. This car was, like I said, professionally restored. Every nut and bolt. And they did it right. You are not going to find another one like this. That is for sure. Here's your engine bay. And the car runs really, really well. Get in here, give it a little rev. Sounds great, just how it should sound. You got your radio delete. This was factory on these police cars. They had no options. Your Dodge 330 badge right there. No mirrors on each side. Certified speedometer 120. And here's your push button transmission. I'm gonna actually start the car back up. Demonstrate it. So we are currently in park. You slide this back if you want to get into drive. We are in drive now. When you get into park, neutral, park. We are in park. Something really, really cool. Wiper, lights, brake release right there. Focus, there you go. Turn signal lever. And you got a little tack. You got your ashtray. Everything was really well done on this car. Your glove box. I'm gonna move over to your trunk. The doors close nicely. Let's open this trunk here. You have these keys. How you open it here is you slide the emblem. You put the key in there. Kind of hard to do this with one hand. Mopar, you put the key upside down. Your trunk. Very, very nicely done. You got your trunk mat. Go ahead and lift it up. Everything looks nice under there, just as it should be. Like I said, whoever did this car, they did a great, great, great job, because this car is really, really presentable. If you want a rare car that you will probably never see another one, this is the car. These cars are uncommon, even the four-door models nowadays. You cannot find these cars. So this one is insanely, insanely hard to find, and a very, very special car. Go ahead and close the lid. Not closed all the way, but didn't want to slam it. Go ahead and pop it open again and close it. Lines up great. Only thing not true to the car, I believe, is the scoop. These were true to this era of Mopar B-bodies, though. It's got your steel wheels with your dog dish hubcaps. Just a beautiful car. I could stare at this thing all day long. Very, very special. If you are interested in this car, you could contact us at 847-848-1850. Again, that's 847-848-1850. We are located in Addison, Illinois. We have around 250 cars in stock. Check out the website, mgmclassicars.com, for info on this car and many others. And keep checking the website because you're not going to want to miss a thing. We get new cars in every day. And most of them are a little special, just like this one. Just look at that. Our business hours are 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. Saturday, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. We offer special financing for our classic cars with great monthly payments and shipping all over the United States to your door. My name is Mr. Jenkins, and it's been a pleasure showing you such a beautiful car. This car is truly one of a kind. It's not every day you see a 63 Dodge 330, let alone an X Nebraska police car. I hope everyone has a great day, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. It's been a pleasure, and I hope to see you here, and I hope to see this car in your garage because it looks beautiful standing right here, but in your garage it'll look even better. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.